how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really, really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do it to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
And been writing us, sending all manner of messages, even sending us messages on WhatsApp through our admin, writing all sorts of things. Please, I want to use the opportunity to make you understand that we're not interested in all these messages you're sending us concerning our alliance with the autopilot. It's a collective decision that we have made. It's not my own decision. It's collectively. We all agreed in BNL. In BNL, we don't do one man leadership. I am the national leader, yes. I have a deputy by name Ebuta Takon from a Jagam ethnic nationality, a Tung local government area of Cross River State. And his community is the last community before you get to Ambazonia. I have a chief of staff, Linus Asubu Essien, who is also the leader of the Displaced Bakassi Peninsula Youth. The leader of the Displaced Bakassi Peninsula Youth. We have a standing committee of senior officers, and the chairman is Mr. Gostan Chukidem from Akwa Ibom State, who is also the general admin officer of BNL. We have our state coordinators. We also have a national coordinator, I think by name Mr. Freeborn Ogenovo from Delta State. And we have our, of course, self-defense volunteers who are in charge of the marine activities. And of course, we sought everyone's opinion, and everybody agreed and gave me that mandate that, okay, we should go ahead. We all agreed that since Mr. Simon has extended hand of collaboration, cooperation, and support, we should not hesitate. So I said, which we did. Because if we don't, that means we are selfish and greedy. And many people were saying all sorts of things based on the fact that we have misunderstanding with him. This is BNL. We don't know whatever problem you have. I have said it in my previous video. We don't know what problem we have, and we don't want to know. Go and settle your problem. Stop coming to our page to be writing nonsense. Stop coming to our page to be saying no manner of things. We are not part of your issues you have with him. We are not part of that. We don't even want to hear that. So writing us to keep receiving messages. Why are you people alive? We don't take those messages off. We don't want to be linked to whatever issues we are having with autopilot. We don't want that. Please. We are too focused to be distracted. And I have also cautioned the page admin, this page admin officers. I think we have about more than 5 admin of this page. Should not be responding to people who lack reasoning. Reading some posts, I've seen a lot of people doing video. I've seen a lot of videos here and there. A lot of people have came out to blackmail me. You hardly see me come to my handle and start replying them. I can't. You are not feeding me. So I don't need to reply. It's always like that. Somebody came up the other day on Critics News. I don't know. Some of you might have watched that broadcast. Why some followed live. Before me, he was lying. I was live, he was live on Critics News on YouTube. He was lying that BNL was formed by Wazirike, the chief of Wazirike of Maso. He told him, So, blackmail. We know that a lot of people are being paid to blackmail others. of which I don't care. There's nothing any blackmail can do me. You can blackmail me, blackmail BNL. Of course, we have been doing we have been doing our thing without even giving attention to such nonsense. That is why in BNL, you can never see us have misunderstanding. We come out publicly to begin to display, you know, for people to know that, oh, there's a misunderstanding or whatever in BNL. No, we settle our matter amicably. We settle our matter amicably. And it's even surprising that we are young men and women. What baffles us most is that those who are busy fighting, quarreling are elderly people, old men and women, old men and women that are above 50 years. They come on, every online, they are gossiping. Anytime they come online, it's gossip. Anytime they do, it's gossip. Those things doesn't help the struggle, and we're disassociating ourselves from that. Don't drag us to it. Don't drag us. Don't drag BNL to your problems. And our existing collaboration with Mr. Simon remains for the interest of our people, for the interest of uh, Biafra. Yes, of course. I've never seen any nation group, where one group secures independence. I've never seen. I've never seen because no one group knows it all. You don't have the strategy. You don't have all the strategy it takes. You don't have all the strategy it takes. So we welcome you. Bring your strategy. We bring our strategy. That is collaboration. That is collaboration. In case you don't understand, collaboration doesn't mean we are collaborating to come and gossip you or fight you or whatever the opponent, rival. We don't do that. Collaboration is when you are apply your different strategies. I know your weakness, you know my weakness. We apply our strategies, we move forward. So we have to understand that Biafra is too big for anybody to pocket. It's too big for anybody to pocket. We have the right to choose where we want to go, who we want to work. We have the right. Nobody owns Biafra. Nobody's father owns Biafra. I'm saying it now, so you know. Nobody's father owns Biafra. If you don't know, you know it now. Don't think your father owns Biafra. Even Ojukwu of blessed memory doesn't own Biafra. His children cannot come and say because my father was the Biafran warlord, we have to instruct all of you. We will not listen to him. Philip Efion's children cannot come and say because my father was the second in command, and later he became the chief of staff of the army. Blah blah blah. We have to instruct you. You have to listen to us. We will not listen to them. We will not listen to them. So whatever we are doing in this struggle, we should apply respect. Respect is reciprocal. Why I'm saying this because of the kind of unwanted messages we are receiving. There's somebody that contacted us. I will say it. I'm not going to hide it. I will say it. They said I shouldn't talk. I'm going to talk. Contacted us. We want to send some of our men to Ghana. A woman who also claimed to be the founder of Umada. And when I gave listening ear, she told me, she was instructing me, an instruction. We should go and publish. We should go and denounce alliance with Mr. Simon Ekpa. So is that the condition for you to sponsor the people to Ghana? For the stuff to go and that's an instruction. I mean, I don't know how it's disrespectful. How can you look at a group with high reputation? You are calling to give us instruction to go and denounce for what? Are you my executive? Are you one of my officers? How must you give me that instruction? She's not the first. A lot of people too. You call me, you send us message, and we should do this. For what? You know how BNL started. For you to give us, why must you call to give us instruction for the first place? I'm telling this as a warning because I will begin to insult some of you whenever I receive such message. I begin to worry us to send useless messages. You have not even wait for a while, observe. what the collaboration will look like. At least be patient before you begin to come up with your cooked up stories. Be patient and watch and see how it goes. And see how it goes. I've been part of so many coalition or pro-Biafran groups. And all what they have been doing is meeting. I said, no, I'm tired of meeting. Let's do something different. Meeting from one meeting to another. I've been part of the coalition of pro-Biafran group led by that Uche Madu of Massa was the spokesman. With every monthly meeting, monthly dues. And I became tired. I stopped going. Another coalition came up. Asari Dokubo as the chairman. We went to Bayelsa. Our boys were arrested. Our boys from Ahuda. About 100 of them were arrested. We abandoned. Everybody switched their phone off. I called Omiumio. I'm saying it here. I'm not hiding my mouth. He didn't pick up. The other one in India, what was his name? Is it Mosu or something? He didn't pick up. What was his name? Let me remember his name. Is it Uche Mosu? Something like that. So when he's listening, we are listening to me. Forward it. Nobody picked our call. Nobody picked our call. Single-handedly, I was the one. I took risk when the police said I should come. I took risk and I went. I thought they would detain me. Even some people said, oh, don't go. I went there. And to God be the glory, everything was sorted out. With money. And when they came out, they were trying to take credit.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.